Hello, Maz. Hello, Mahfouz.
Hello, sir.
Abhishek.
Hello, sir.
How are you all doing?
Hello, sir.
Abhishek,
Good evening,
welcome
sir.
back. Good evening.
Yes, sir.
Were you watching the recordings, Abhishek?
Yes, sir.
So you're comfortable with the tikkadi in the present simple? Tikkadi, do,
But
does, and
I
subject
not
and
see
verb
to
one.
पूरा अभी तक देखे नहीं है सर
Uh,
रेगुलरली
you haven't been watching all the videos.
yes
Okay.
sir. Some video are pending.
You watched only some and some are pending.
Yes, sir. But I cover.
Sure, you will.
Good evening, sir.
Hello, everybody.
Good
Lots of
evening.
people have the. Good evening, Apurva. Everybody, please keep your cameras on. Before I ask you, you should join with your cameras on. Yeah. Okay. So, first of all, I'm going to check the homework exercises. This page was your homework, right?
Yes, sir.
Unit 2, present simple, exercise 1. We have put the
Good
subjects in
afternoon,
two
sir.
categories. Hello, Sulekha. Good evening. So recording is on. Yes, the recording is on. Now,
No.
I am saying we have put all the subjects in two categories. I, you, we, they in one category, and he, she, it in the other category. We use two verbs, go and goes, eat and eats. And this is called the present simple. We say I, you, we, they eat. But he, she, it eats. We say I go, you go, we go, they go. But we say he goes, she goes, he eats.
Go.
All right, like that. So we are going to complete these, we are going to put these sentences with the correct pictures. We have some pictures here. Take a look at the first picture. You see a woman. Yeah, there is
Yes,
a
sir.
woman, a very beautiful woman. And there is a child. And the woman is wearing stethoscopes. And she is taking the blood pressure of the child.
Good evening, sir.
She is, good evening, Imtiaz. She is trying to measure the boy's blood pressure. So let's read. What is the name of this woman?
Linda.
Good
Her
afternoon,
name
sir.
is Linda.
Linda. Yes, sir.
Her
Linda.
And
name is Linda.
what does she do, Linda?
She is a
She's
nurse.
a nurse.
She works
She's
in the
a nurse.
hospital.
She's a nurse. Linda is a nurse. Her name is Linda and she's a nurse. And she wears a uniform.
Yes.
What is the Hindi? Dharmendra, I cannot see you. Shazia, I cannot see you. Afreen, I cannot see you. Good, good, good. And that's nice. Okay. I can hear some noises. Please mute yourselves if it is noisy around you. Guys, she wears a uniform. What is the Hindi of this sentence? She wears a uniform, Shweta, Apurva, all
वो
of you.
यूनिफॉर्म पहनती है.
Apurva, what is the Hindi?
वो यूनिफॉर्म है.
Okay. Some students by mistakes think she wears uniform means वो uniform पहने हुए है. No, 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 no. The right translation is
वो
वो
यूनिफॉर्म
uniform
यूनिफॉर्म
पहनती है.
पहनती है.
Exactly. She wears uniform means वो uniform पहनती है. Right. She wears a uniform. Okay. And she works in a hospital. She works in a hospital. Okay.
हॉस्पिटल.
In Hindi, we will say
वो
हॉस्पिटल
वो
चिकित्सा.
हॉस्पिटल में काम करती है। तो वह एक
काम
हॉस्पिटल में काम
करती
करती
है.
है।
करती है, करते हैं. This is the present simple, all right?
Yes, sir.
Does your father wear a uniform
No,
when
he
he goes
doesn't.
to work?
No,
No.
no, he.
No, he
Mm.
doesn't.
In some jobs, people wear a uniform, right?
My
Like
mom,
if
sir, when she goes to school.
when she goes to school, she wears a uniform. Okay. Apurva's mother wears a uniform. All right. Anybody else's parents wear a uniform when they go to work?
Yes, sir. When I go to the airport in that time, I also
Oh,
wear a
Shweta
uniform.
also wears a uniform, right, Shweta? Shweta works at the airport, so she wears a uniform. Okay, Shweta, good. Anybody else wears a uniform or your mom or dad wears a uniform, guys? Imtiaz, you are not visible to me. Your camera is off. Shabnam, Zainab, Dharmendra, Sulekha, again. I don't want to keep asking again and again. I want to keep checking your videos, you see. Dharmendra, as I said, I want you and your book as well on the camera. I want to see what you're doing. So set the angle right. Okay. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Now we look at the second picture, guys. Martin's a manager. This guy is Martin. He's a manager, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
He is wearing a suit and tie. He's wearing a suit and tie.
Sir.
Yes.
मैंने क्या कहा दोस्तों? He is wearing a suit and tie. हिंदी में क्या बोला मैंने?
वो सूट और टाई पहनी
टाई पहन रखा है.
हाँ, exactly.
Yes,
He
sir.
is
Yes,
wearing a suit and tie. Okay. All right.
suit and tie.
Martin is a manager. What are the sentences about Martin?
He earns a lot of money in office and he
He
earns
works
a
in
lot
an
of money.
office.
In an
He earns.
earns
He
a lot.
earns.
He earns a lot of
आवाज आती
money.
भी है बा
He earns
He earns a lot of money. Right. In Hindi,
वो बहुत ज्यादा पैसा कमाते हैं।
वो पैसा कमाते.
बहुत पैसे
पैसा
कमाते हैं.
कमाता
He earns a
बहुत
lot
पैसा।
of money. Okay. And he works in an office. Linda works in a hospital. Martin works in an office.
और
Right. And what about Sharon? What does Sharon do?
Sharon is
Sharon's
Sharon is
housewife
Sharon,
and she work in a kitchen for her family
kitchen
she cooks dinner for
and
family.
he
She goes
she
shop.
is a housewife. She
she
works
goes to
in
shopping
a
every day.
kitchen.
She goes
Sharon is
shopping
a
every day.
housewife. Sharon is a housewife, right?
yes sir
In the
She
picture,
works.
she is arranging.
She cooks
Goes
dinner
shopping
for
every
her.
day.
We go shopping every day.
Yeah.
And
Yes.
He
she goes
goes
shopping
shopping
every
every day.
day.
Dinner for her
And she
family.
Goes
cooks
shopping
dinner
every day.
for her family.
Yes.
Yes.
She cooks dinner
He
for her
cooks dinner
family.
for her family.
Sir, I
Right.
picture she arranging the clothes.
Yeah. Shabnam, your mic is noisy today. Your mic is creating a noise, Shabnam. Shazia and Afreen have again switched off their cameras. How many times will I have to keep asking you guys? Otherwise, you tell me what I should do about it. Shazia,
Approx
Afreen,
3
and
4 30.
Suleika. Because I'm telling you, this is really important, okay? Really important that you are on camera all the time, now all 90 minutes. Please explain, क्यों किया आपने off? Why did you turn your camera off? Suleika, I don't see you either. Why is your camera off? Please explain. Shazia?
Sir, I want my camera off for a minute, sir.
You can do that. I want to tell you guys, आपके पास कोई reason नहीं है तो मत करो off. Because मैं चाहता नहीं कि मैं आपको डांटूं और ये सब हो, okay? Please understand, you guys are all grown up people, okay?
सर डिस्टर्ब कर रहा बाबू इसीलिए कर दे.
Okay, आपका बाबू हमें डिस्टर्ब करेगा जब आपका माइक ऑन होगा. आपके कैमरा ऑन होने से योर बाबू कैन नॉट डिस्टर्ब अस, ओके? और कैमरा ऑफ करने से आपका डिस्टर्बेंस भी नहीं रुक जाता. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. You can mute the mic when somebody is speaking around you, okay? But otherwise, the camera should be on. Okay, fine. Shabnam, your mic is noisy, Shabnam. Please do something about
My
it.
mic is not working properly today.
Yes, I can see that. Maybe you can remove the headphones and just use your mobile, okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes. Sharon is a housewife. She cooks dinner for her family. Notice everybody, we say she cooks dinner. We don't say she cooks food, okay? Try and avoid saying cook food. Say cooks or cooks dinner, cooks lunch. ये सब बोल सकते हैं. Does your father cook?
Yes, he does. No, he doesn't.
Does your father cook?
Yes,
Yes,
Sometimes?
he does.
he does. Sometimes he does.
No, he does.
Okay. No, he doesn't. Okay. Can you cook?
Yes, I
Yes,
am.
sir.
Yes, I am.
Yes,
I'm-
I.
What is
Sometimes.
wrong English? Cook food is wrong English, okay?
Yes. Cook
Fine.
dinner.
Number 4. Yes. Number 4. This
Gordon.
man, his name is Gordon.
Gordon.
Gordon, what does he do?
She's a chef.
He's a chef.
He's a chef.
Chef.
Gordon is a chef,
Yeah.
right? Yeah. And he works in a kitchen. He works in a
Kitchen.
Kitchen. He was
Linda
a
works in a
teacher.
hospital. Linda works in a hospital. Martin works in an office. And Gordon works in a
Gordon,
kitchen.
he works in a kitchen.
Right. And he cooks
He cooks
in an Italian
restaurant.
in an
He
Italian
cooks in
restaurant.
an Italian
Restaurant.
restaurant.
He cooks in an Italian restaurant. Number 5. This girl is Sophie. She is a student.
This-
Right. Sophie is a student. She
studies
loves
every
her
day.
teacher. She likes her teacher.
Her teacher.
She likes
Right.
her teacher.
And
She studies every day.
she studies every day.
Studies every day.
Yeah. Good students study every day. Number 6. Simon is a farmer.
She is a farmer.
He works outside. He lives in the country.
Country.
Right. Right. And he lives in the country means?
He lives in the country.
He lives in the country means?
Downside. Sir, वो मिनट कैमरा
He lives in the country means? Oh, Shabnam, your mic. Oh, Shabnam, don't unmute. Yeah,
वह
okay.
गांव में रहते हैं.
Exactly. He lives in the country means वो गांव में रहता है. Absolutely perfect. He lives in the country means वो शहर में नहीं रहता है. Okay. The country doesn't mean देश all the time. Okay. A country means देश. The country sometimes means देहात. Okay.
Okay.
Hello,
Country
sir.
life, country life or city life? Which life do you like better? Country life or city life? Which
I
life
like
Country
is
life, sir.
country life.
uh-huh.
Country life, yes.
I don't
Mhm.
like city life a lot at all.
Hmm. Hmm. Okay. So country life means life in the near the river, near the mountain, near the fields. City life means fast trains, fast buses, wide roads, okay,
More
discos,
crowd.
nightclubs. Yeah, city life. Okay. I like
Anytime
country
hot
life
and
better.
hot.
I like country life better. So that was the page. Now this is the page for tomorrow, everyone. I'm sharing this with you in the group.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
Sir, can you please give me 5 minutes?
Sure, sure, Zainab. No problem.
Thank you, sir.
People, exercise 4 was your homework, right?
Yes, sir.
Barbara already text. The school has 60 students. Is that true?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Correct.
No,
Respond.
sir.
Respond.
It doesn't have 60 students. It has
It
600.
has 650 students.
Very good.
Yeah.
The school doesn't have 60 students. It has 650 students.
Yes.
Give me a second. Hello, Deepika. You can join Beta if you are free and if you want to join. Hello. Hello, Deepika. If you are free and you want to join, you can come, Beta. No problems. You can join this class too. Yeah. It's totally your choice, sweetie. Okay, whenever you feel comfortable. Okay. So the school doesn't have 60 students. It has 650 students. Mahfouz. बेटा आपको ये सेंटेंस समझ में आ रहा है? The school doesn't have 60 students.
Yes, sir.
इसका क्या मतलब हुआ?
इस स्कूल में 650 स्टूडेंट हैं.
अच्छा, अगर आप बोलना चाहते हो बेटा कि मेरे घर में 4 कमरे नहीं हैं तो कैसे बोलोगे? अच्छा, अगर आपको बोलना है मेरे घर में 5 कमरे हैं तो कैसे बोलोगे? महफूज? महफूज? मेरे घर में 5 कमरे हैं. How do you say that in English? अच्छा, चलो महफूज बेटा बोलो, इस क्लास में 50 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, कैसे बोलेंगे? बेटा ना वहां दीवारों पे लिखा है ना सीलिंग पे लिखा है, वो सामने जो किताब है ना उसमें लिखा है बेटा. अगर आप उसको पढ़ोगे तो सीखोगे. मेरे कुछ स्टूडेंट्स महफूज जैसे होते हैं, वो सिर्फ टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं उनको पढ़ना नहीं है, वो सीखने में इंटरेस्ट भी नहीं रखते, वो पूछते भी नहीं है ना महफूज?
नहीं सर, ऐसा नहीं।
हाँ बिल्कुल ऐसा है। आप बैठोगे आके और बस बैठोगे, आप बोरिंग हो क्योंकि आपको बैठना पसंद भी है। जब कोई चीज समझ ना आए तो बोर होता है ना वो इंसान, तो वो पूछता है कि अरे मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे अपने आप के साथ बैठा करके अपने आप को, जब मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, राइट? वो कोशिश करता है। लेकिन महफूज कहता है छोड़ो यार, मेरा काम है बैठना है यहाँ पे, है ना महफूज? वो सेंटेंस सामने लिखा है, द स्कूल हैज 60 स्टूडेंट्स, वो पढ़ रहा है, लेकिन जब मैं कहता हूँ बोलने के लिए कि इस क्लास में 50 स्टूडेंट्स है, तो वो नहीं बोल पाता। बताओ दोस्तों, सब लोग बोल के दिखाओ महफूज को।
My class.
My class has
Class has
50 students.
50
My class has
students.
50 students.
It's 50 students in my class.
So there are 50 students in my class.
हाँ बेटा बहुत अच्छे, लेकिन जो सामने इसे तो सीख सकते हैं ना, द स्कूल हैज 60 स्टूडेंट्स।
Excellent.
आप लोग एक्स्ट्रा जानते हो तो अलग तरीके से ही बोल पाए, लेकिन महफूज ये सीख सकता था ना, द क्लास हैज 50 स्टूडेंट्स बोल सकता था ना महफूज।
Yes, sir. The class has
तो तुम
50
लोग क्या सोचते हो? महफूज सामने आओ कैमरे पे। हाँ बोलो महफूज, अब तुम्हारे पास क्या डिफेंस बचा बोलने के लिए? यू आर वेस्टिंग योर फादर्स मनी महफूज,
नहीं सर, ऐसा नहीं।
यू आर वेस्टिंग योर फादर्स मनी। वो सामने लिखा था ना मेरे बच्चा, द स्कूल हैज 60 स्टूडेंट्स, एंड देन मैंने कहा इस क्लास में 50 बच्चे हैं, कैसे बोलेंगे?
The class has 60 students.
और मेरे घर में 5 कमरे हैं।
The house has 5 rooms.
माई हाउस हैज 5 रूम्स। आप लोगों ने देखा कि अगर इसने थोड़ी कोशिश की तुरंत हो गया।
Yes, sir. Yes.
तो व्हाट
Yes,
इज हिज फॉल्ट? व्हाट इज हिज फॉल्ट?
Is not concentrate.
He is not trying, he is not focusing, he is not concentrating.
He doesn't
He's
know.
just sitting there. His body language says, I'm not interested. I'm here because my father has forced me to be here. Right? So महफूज, मैं तुम्हें बस इतना ही कहूंगा बेटा, if you are here and if you want to learn, you have to make an effort. महफूज एक्सरसाइज 4 और जो कल का पेज था वो आपने होमवर्क किया? इसका जवाब है नहीं। सारे लोगों को मैं पहले बता रहा हूँ, महफूज बोलेगा नहीं
Yes.
नहीं किया है।
Yeah,
Send.
sir.
चलो भेजो।
Yes, please.
शेयर। I can help anybody who wants to try, who wants to make an effort. I can help everybody, but I can't help those people who are not making an effort from their side. You know, and unfortunately, Mahfouz is not trying. Mahfouz, your camera is off. What are you doing? Taking a photo?
नहीं सर, आ रही। Yeah, sir.
Just show on the screen. Show on the screen, Mahfouz. Screen पे ही दिखाओ बेटा. Screen पे ही दिखाओ. Camera पे दिखाओ. No issues. Okay, people. I would suggest to you all, Mahfouz is the only person in this class. Mahfouz, don't take a photo with so much of background. Just take the photo of the page, okay? Okay, Mahfouz. I believe you that you did your homework, all right? Now respond.
Yes, sir.
Exercise 4. Have you done exercise 4?
No, sir.
Mahfouz, have you done exercise 4?
No, sir.
Because अभी वो चेक नहीं हुआ है. अगर वो चेक करने के बाद पूछता तो वो भी हो जाता. महफूज बोलता है वो भी
नहीं,
किया है.
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं।
अच्छा तो
कल
वजह बताना
तबीयत
बेटा,
ठीक
ये नहीं क्या वो क्या इसकी वजह?
नहीं सर, 2 दिन से फीवर आ गया सर, तो इसी के लिए नहीं क्लास अटेंड कर पाए, नहीं होमवर्क बना पा रहे सर।
ओके, घर से दूर हो ना, that's why he is
जी
living in
सर।
Patna away from his family. Okay, and please, Shabnam, I'm muting you because your mic is very noisy today. Sorry about that. But you can unmute yourself when you want to speak, okay? Okay, people. It has 5 teachers. Respond.
No, it hasn't have. It
No, no,
hasn't
no,
5
no,
teachers.
no, Adib, no, Adib, no.
The school hasn't 5
No,
teachers.
no, Adib, no.
Doesn't have.
It
It
doesn't
doesn't
have
have
five
a
It
teachers.
five
doesn't have
teachers.
5 teachers.
Doesn't
It
have-
has
It
10
has
teachers.
It doesn't have teachers.
10
It
teachers. 10
doesn't
teachers.
have.
The school doesn't have 5 teachers, okay?
It has
10
Yeah.
teachers.
10 teachers.
It has 10 teachers.
Babar wants to
teachers.
stop teaching. Babar wants to
No,
stop
he
teaching.
doesn't want to
No,
stop
he
teaching.
doesn't.
He wants to study
He
at
doesn't-
university.
He wants to
Doesn't
be a
have want to
doctor.
stop teaching.
He doesn't
No,
want to.
he doesn't want
He doesn't
to be
want
to be a
to be a
doctor.
doctor. He wants to be a teacher.
He doesn't want to be a doctor. He wants to be a teacher.
Wants to.
He wants
He
to be a
wants
teacher.
He wants to be a teacher all his life.
He wants to be a teacher all his life.
Right? He is already a teacher, right? He is already a teacher. He's teaching.
Yes, sir. He is a head.
Right. So he wants to be a teacher all his life. He doesn't want to be a doctor. He wants to be a teacher all his life.
Good evening, sir.
Yogita ma'am, welcome. A little late, but welcome.
Yeah, today I went to market, sir.
I went to the market.
Yes, sir. Today I went to market. So I getting late.
Okay. Let's read the text together with me, everybody. Babar's days are very busy. He has no free time. He gets up at 5 o'clock in the morning and helps his mother with the housework. At 8 o'clock,
Yes.
he goes by bus to his school 3 miles away.
Okay.
His school is 3 miles away. He goes to school at
Yes.
8 o'clock. He goes to school by bus. Shabnam, mute yourself and unmute yourself when you want to speak. Okay, Shabnam? When you are not speaking,
Okay,
in
sir.
that moment, just mute yourself. When you're not speaking, mute yourself, okay?
Sir, I am speaking.
ना जब आप बोलना चाहेंगे, हमसे बात करना चाहेंगे ना, तो unmute कर लेना आप, okay? But otherwise, mute yourself because it's very noisy. Your mic is causing a lot of noise today. Okay?
Okay, sir.
All right. He studies hard all day until 4. Yesterday, I was teaching this word until to you guys. He studies hard all day until 4. It means he stops studying at 4 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
He stops studying at 4 o'clock.
At 4 o'clock.
Right. He studies
sir.
until 4 in the afternoon. He studies until 4. He studies until 4. It means before 4 o'clock, he studies, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
At 3:30, he studies,
He
right?
studies, sir.
He studies until 4. Means 4 o'clock is when he stops. 4 बजे वो रोकता है. उसके पहले study. Okay? So you use the word until. Yes.
4 बजे से 1-2 मिनट ज्यादा हो सकता है.
बेटा वो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, उस बात के लिए बात नहीं हो रही है, ठीक है? वहां पर आप अबाउट लगा दोगे, अराउंड लगा दोगे, ओके? जैसे मैं आपको कहूं I teach you until 5:30. No, until 7. I teach you until 7. क्या? Until 5:30 or until 7?
Yes.
Until 7.
Until 7.
Yes.
Until
I
7.
teach you until 7, right? आप बोलोगे सर you teach us until 7. कभी कभी 5 मिनट पहले, कभी 5 मिनट बाद, but that's another thing. But I teach you until 7, right?
Yes.
That's our scheduled time. But sometimes, you know, we are human beings. We just keep talking for 2 minutes longer. Sometimes we wrap up 5 minutes earlier. That's another story. But normally I teach you until 7, right?
Yes, sir.
Work until
Okay.
30.
Come again, Apurva.
I work until 5:30.
You work until 5:30. Very good, Apurva, everybody. Apurva works until 5:30, okay? Apurva works until 5:30. It means at 5:30, Apurva stops. At 5:30, Apurva stops because she needs to join this class.
Yes, sir. And
I
after
play until 5:30.
You
and
play until 5:30, okay, Adi?
My
Because
father comes
at 5,
home until
30.
6 o'clock.
Zana beta, you have made a mistake. I think you have made a mistake, Zana beta. But before you repeat your sentence, sweetie, I want you to repeat Apurva's sentence. I want you to repeat Adib's sentence so that you can understand what until means actually. Apurva
Yes.
works until 5,
I
5:30.
cook food until 9 o'clock.
Sayogita ma'am, not
Yes.
food. I cook breakfast, lunch, dinner, not food.
I cook dinner until 9 o'clock.
Okay, guys, if you go to Sanyogita ma'am's house at 8:50, then you will find her in the kitchen. Yes or no?
yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
sir.
If you go to her house at 8:45, you will find her in the kitchen. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But when you go to her house at 9, 10, will you find Sanyogita ma'am in the kitchen?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
No, sir.
No, because she cooks
He
dinner
cooks stuff.
Until 9 o'clock.
at 9.
until 9. Okay, everybody, you
Yes,
understand?
sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
understand.
Adi plays until 5:30 because at 5:30 he joins this class, right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Adi beta. Now I want Zainab to make her sentence.
My father comes home until 6.
Absolutely wrong. Don't you realize? Tell me, if your father comes home until 6, does it mean at 5 o'clock he comes home? At 5:30 he comes home?
No, sir.
Then you're wrong. Until word
Yes.
is used for continuous action. He studies
His
until
office
6.
work is until 6:30.
He works in his office until 6, as we can say, right, Sanyogita ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Sweta
I
beta, you
sleep.
work at the airport, right? You can also use the word until to talk about what time you stop working, Sweta. Give a
Sir, right
sentence.
now I'm not working, but before I can say, I work until 6:30 a.m.
But 6:30 in the morning.
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness, guys. Shweta had a night shift. She worked
Yeah,
until
so nights.
6:30 in the morning. She worked until 6:30 in the morning. Okay, Shweta. And what time did you start working, Vita?
Sir, currently I'm not working. 3 months
Right.
before I quit my job. Like sometimes I had to report on shift like 4 a.m. in morning,
Hmm.
and sometimes like my shift started in like 10 to 8 a.m.
Right. So, Shweta, my question would be the same. What time did you start working? I mean, you worked until 10:30, until 6:30. So your shift started at 10 o'clock, you said, right?
Yes.
Okay. So Shweta started. Now she's out of work. She has resigned. Okay. She has quit. So she doesn't work anymore, everybody. But when she worked in the past, she worked until 6:30 in the morning and started work at 10 o'clock. Okay. So Zainab, do you realize why your sentence was wrong?
सर मेरे को समझ नहीं आया आप फिर से एक्सप्लेन कर दो
Okay, so you have to look at the verbs that we are using. Shweta worked until 6:30. Apurva works until 5:30 in the evening. What does it mean? There is a
Means
continuity of
Shweta
work,
worked
work,
in
work,
past.
work until 5:30. It means at 5:30 she stops working. Babar Ali studies until 4 o'clock. It means at 4 o'clock he stops studying.
Please stop
Yes,
that.
sir.
Before 4 o'clock.
Understand, Zainab?
Yes, sir. My sentence is
4 o'clock.
Asaf play until 5:30. Is this correct?
Yeah, because he plays until 5:30. It means at 5:30 he stops, right?
Okay, sir.
Your
I
father
wake
comes. Hmm,
I
go
wake
on.
up at until 5:30. I wake up
No,
at
no,
5:30.
no, beta,
I
no,
sleep
Aji.
until
Why?
6 o'clock.
I get up.
हाँ, I sleep until कल बताए थे ना?
Exactly, Sanyogita
I
ma'am. I
sleep at
sleep
I
until
sleep
until 6
Hmm.
o'clock.
in the morning.
I wake up at 5:30. I wake up at 6:30. You wake up. Waking up is not a
You wake
process,
up.
beta. Waking up is one moment, okay? But
Yes, sir.
sleeping until 6:30. And at 6:30 you stop
First,
sleeping. You stop sleeping.
first I think sleep, sir, but in second time.
Don't worry. It's about getting rid of your confusion. Don't worry, okay? So you sleep until 6, you sleep until 5:30. That's right.
5:30.
Okay. All right, people. So when you do an action, it continues until a certain period of time. It means at that time you stop. Okay. For example, you cook breakfast in the morning, you go into the kitchen at 7 and you cook until 8. You cook breakfast until 8. It means at 8 o'clock, your breakfast is ready. You don't continue cooking now. You stop cooking at 8 o'clock.
Yes, sir.
So ये until is used to talk about the process continues till that moment. He
So I can
studies.
say,
Yes, Shweta?
sorry to interrupt you. Like I can say I can cook my breakfast until 9 a.m.
I cook breakfast, not can हटा दीजिए.
Okay.
I cook
Okay. I cook
breakfast
breakfast.
until,
Fast until 9 o'clock.
okay, it
Hmm.
means at, okay, suppose ये कब बोलोगे आप, इसकी सिचुएशन समझो, आप कब बोलोगे ये लाइन, कहाँ, क्यों बोलोगे? किसी ने आपको श्वेता सुबह में कहा कि 8, मैंने आपको कहा कि सुबह 8:30 बजे क्लास है, उसको ज्वाइन कर लो, तो आप बोलोगे
Okay.
सर सॉरी सर, आई कैन नॉट ज्वाइन द 8:30 क्लास सर, because I cook breakfast until 9.
I cook breakfast until 9. Yeah.
Until 9.
I can't join the class at 8:30, sir, because I cook breakfast until 9, right?
Yes, sir.
I do my
Until-
homework until 9.
Very good, beta, very good, very nice. तो आप यहाँ पर गौर कर रहे हो, एक प्रोसेस है, कुकिंग, स्टडिंग, टीचिंग, ये सब चलता रहता है, राइट? ड्यूरेशन है, और ये जब खत्म होता है उस समय के लिए बताते हैं इतने बजे खत्म होता है, तो until this time. जैसे और कोई एग्जांपल देना चाहेंगे हम लोग?
I
Anybody?
sleep until 11 o'clock.
इसका हिंदी क्या हुआ श्वेता?
इसका हिंदी सो
I say
मैं
11 o'clock in the
Apurva,
night.
Apurva, let Shweta finish that. Yes, Shweta?
मैं 11 बजे तक सो जाती हूँ.
Very wrong English, क्योंकि अभी जब तुमने सुना बाबर अली स्टडीज until 4, तो 4 के पहले क्या कर रहा होता? स्टडी कर रहा होता है ना?
Study. Yes.
जब मैंने कहा I teach you until 7, तो 7 के पहले मैं आपको टीच कर रहा होता हूँ ना?
Yes, yes, yes. Okay. I
तो आप
got
बोल
it,
सकते हो
sir.
क्या? तो आप बोल सकते हो
No.
क्या I sleep until 11? बोल सकते हो क्या?
No, 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 sir.
मैसेज
wrong.
समझो, मैसेज समझो दोस्तों, हिंदी पर ट्रांसलेशन पे मत ध्यान दो, मैसेज समझो यहाँ पे, ओके? अगर कोई कहता है आई स्लीप अंटिल 6 in the morning, तो ये सेंस बनता है कि भाई
हाँ.
6 बजे तक सोता है, नहीं 6 बजे के पहले सो रहा होता है, 6 बजे रोक देता है सोना, ही स्टॉप स्लीपिंग, राइट?
Yes, sir.
हम्म,
Sir,
ओके,
so I get up until say 6 o'clock. बोल सकते हैं।
गलत इंग्लिश है सेंटेंस, और आप सबको एहसास होना चाहिए क्यों गलत है। आई वेक अप अंटिल 6। क्या
Sir,
आप
Then what we can
I
say
sleep
before?
until
I get up until 7 o'clock.
सब गलत है, सब गलत है। मैं बता रहा हूँ क्यों गलत है,
I
फिर से सुन
sleep
लो।
until 6
I
o'clock.
sleep until
I get up until
6
11
o'clock
o'clock.
in the morning.
और जो गेट अप बोल रहे हैं वो एट के साथ
Sleep.
बोलेंगे कि अंटिल के साथ बोलेंगे?
At
तो फिर से सुनते हैं इस
I
सेंटेंस पे,
wake
ध्यान
up
दो।
at
बाबर
6.
अली, सब
sir,
लोग म्यूट कर लें।
sir,
पूर्वा, यू फिनिश योर
क्या
सेंटेंस। यस,
सर इसके लिए क्या बोलेंगे कि हम 11 बजे तक सो जाते हैं, तो आई वेक अप अंटिल 11 o'clock in the night.
आई स्टे अप, आई स्टे। पहले आप ये, पहले वो अलग चीज है, वो कैसे बोलेंगे वो अलग चीज है। पहले अंटिल को सीख लेते हैं, एंड देन आई एम म्यूटिंग ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर द टाइम
One
being.
minute,
Okay,
sir.
everybody,
He,
I'm muting you
he
all
reads
because I'm
until
going to explain something, okay? And I want you all to listen to me without any disturbance. Please ध्यान से सुनेंगे सब के सब। जब बाबर अली कहते हैं I study until 4, तो आपको खाली हिंदी नहीं सोचनी है इसकी, आपको सिचुएशन को सोचना है। हिंदी मत सोचिए। जो लोग ट्रांसलेशन करते हैं हिंदी में कि वो 4 बजे तक पढ़ते हैं, वो गड्ढा खोद लेते हैं अपने लिए उस हिंदी में, क्योंकि उनके दिमाग को मैसेज चला जाता है टक वाला। अभी थोड़ा रुक जाइए एंड प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड। वो कहते हैं आई स्टडी अंटिल 4, मतलब वो 4 बजे कंटिन्यूटी चल रही होती है किस चीज की? स्टडी 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 स्टडी। जब भी आप ऐसी कोई बात बोलना चाहते हैं तो आप बोल सकते हैं, लेकिन जब आप कहते हैं आई स्लीप अंटिल 11, तो आप मुझे बताइए, आप 10:30 बजे सो रहे हैं? आप 10 बजे सो रहे हैं रात में? आप 9 बजे सो रहे हैं? नहीं। तो आपने क्यों सोचा ऐसा? क्योंकि आपने सिर्फ ट्रांसलेशन देखा, यू डिड नॉट कंपेयर द सिचुएशन। तो कोई भी इंग्लिश सेंटेंस को बेहतर समझने के लिए आपको ट्रांसलेशन नहीं करना है, आपको सिचुएशन को देखना है, किस सिचुएशन को सेंटेंस एक्सप्रेस किया जा रहा है। अभी सुनिए, गौर से सुनिए। अगर मैं आपको पढ़ाता हूं 7 बजे तक, मैं बोल रहा हूं आई टीच यू अंटिल 7, तो 6:45 में मैं आपको पढ़ा रहा हूं, हाँ या ना? 6:30 में पढ़ा रहा हूं, हाँ या ना? 6:15 में पढ़ा रहा हूं, हाँ या ना? तो ये सिमिलर सिचुएशन है ना? तो आप बोल सकते हो सर यू टीच अस अंटिल 7। अब दोनों में एक और सिमिलरिटी देखो। बाबर अली स्टडीज अंटिल 4, मतलब 4 बजे वो बंद कर देते हैं। या बंद करना वाला बात समझना, वो क्या बंद कर देते हैं? स्टडी करना। ही स्टडीज अंटिल 4, यानी 4 बजे वो स्टडी करना बंद करते हैं। आई टीच यू अंटिल 7, मतलब मैं 7 बजे आपको टीच करना बंद करता हूं। बात समझ में आती है? तो इसीलिए जो आपने हिंदी इंग्लिश ट्रांसलेशन किया, दैट वाज अ बिग बिग मिस्टेक, क्योंकि आपने जो ट्रांसलेशन किया आपने महसूस नहीं किया सिचुएशन को। एंड आई एम टेलिंग यू, आप अकेले कंफ्यूज नहीं हो, आप तो स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ कंफ्यूज हो। आई एम टेलिंग यू, कई टीचर्स भी कंफ्यूज होते हैं इन्हीं सब चीजों में, बिकॉज वो सिचुएशन नहीं समझते, वो सिर्फ हिंदी इंग्लिश करते हैं। ठीक? तो दोस्तों, अगर आप कहते हो आई स्लीप अंटिल 11 एट नाइट, अगर बोलते हो, ठीक है, आई स्लीप अंटिल 11 एट नाइट, इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि 11 बजे आप सोना बंद करते हैं, यानी कि आप 11 बजे जाग जाते हैं। इसका ये मतलब हुआ, हाँ या ना? गिव मी अ थम्स अप इफ यू एग्री। राइट? ठीक है, बात समझिएगा। आई स्लीप अंटिल 11 का मतलब क्या हुआ कि मैं 10:30 बजे सो रहा हूं, 10 बजे सो रहा हूं, 11 बजे तक सो रहा हूं, यानी 11 बजे स्टॉप कर देता हूं सोना। तो कोई ऐसा इंसान जो 11 बजे रात में जागता है, उसके पहले सो रहा होता है, वो क्या बोलेगा? आई स्लीप अंटिल 11। आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीबॉडी। पहले ये क्लियर हो चुका है आपके दिमाग में 100%? अब सुनो, स्लीप में एक ड्यूरेशन है ना, स्लीप ऐसे एक मोमेंट तो नहीं किया जाता। स्टडी में एक ड्यूरेशन है ना, स्टडी एक मोमेंट में तो नहीं किया जाता। टीच में एक ड्यूरेशन है ना, टीच ऐसे एक मोमेंट में नहीं किया जाता। तो ये ड्यूरेशन वाले वर्ब्स के साथ अंटिल आप लगाते हो बताने के लिए ये काम उस समय बंद होता है। अभी जरा गौर से सुनना। मैं सुबह 11 बजे तक घर के काम करती हूँ। अगर किसी ने कहा मैं सुबह 11 बजे तक घर के काम करती हूँ, इसमें बताओ कंटिन्यूटी है कि नहीं कि घर के काम में, कि 10 बजे भी घर के काम हो रहे, 9:30 बजे भी घर के काम हो रहे, और 11 बजे घर के काम बंद हो गए। हाँ, जो करना था हो गया। तो कोई औरत कैसे बताएगी कि मैं 11 बजे तक घर के काम करती हूँ? आई डू द हाउस वर्क अंटिल 11। मतलब 11 बजे वो घर के काम करना बंद करती हैं। अभी सुनो, आगे सुनो। आई डू माई हाउस वर्क अंटिल 11 एंड देन आई गो एंड हैव अ शावर। समझ में आई बात? I do the housework until 11 and then go and have a shower, right? तो इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? 11 बजे वो क्या बंद करती हैं? घर के काम करना। उसके पहले तक वो कंटिन्यू रहता है ना। तो इस until का यूज इन्हीं verbs के साथ करेंगे जिसमें एक ऐसे कंटिन्यूटी की बात होती है। लेकिन अगर कोई कहता है कि हम 11 बजे तक सो जाते हैं, पापा 6:30 बजे तक घर आ जाते हैं, तो ये सब कोई कंटिन्यूटी की बात नहीं है क्या? आप 11 बजे तक सो जाते हैं यानी 11 बजे के बाद यानी 11 बजे सोने का काम शुरू करते हैं, खत्म करने की बात नहीं थी यहाँ पे। ठीक है दोस्तों, इट्स अ डिफरेंट सिचुएशन, इट रिक्वायर्स अ न्यू वर्ड। एक नए शब्द की जरूरत है। सिखा दूं वो शब्द भी आपको? गिव मी अ थम्स अप इफ यू आर रेडी टू लर्न द न्यू वर्ड। ओके, सो द न्यू वर्ड इज बी वाई बाय। ओके, सुनिएगा। माय पापा comes home by 6:30। 6:30 बजे तक पापा घर आ जाते हैं। My papa comes home by 6:30। मैं 11 बजे तक सो जाती हूँ। I go to bed or I go to sleep by 11 o'clock। अभी देखो, आफरीन का चेहरा मुझे नहीं दिख रहा, बाकी मैं देख सकता हूं शबनम को दोहराते हुए सेंटेंस को। तो टीचर जो होते हैं क्लास में, वो अपने स्टूडेंट्स को ऐसे ही तो देखना पसंद करते हैं, वो क्या बोल रहे हैं, क्या समझ रहे हैं, चेहरे पे उनके क्या एक्सप्रेशन आ रहा है। बट आई कैन नॉट सी आफरीन एंड आई डोंट नो। Today I'm definitely going to talk to her because every day 5 times she makes me say, Afreen, turn the camera on. Afreen, turn the camera on. Why? क्यों ऐसा है कि इसका जवाब भी नहीं देती वो, कि क्यों ऐसा करती हैं वो, क्यों कैमरा ऑफ करती हैं। एंड आफरीन, ये एक मुझे तुम्हारे चेहरे का एक्सप्रेशन नहीं दिख रहा बेटा। आई कांट सी योर फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस। तो जब मैं नहीं देख पाऊंगा, मैं कैसे समझूंगा तुम मेरी बात समझ रही हो या नहीं? कम्युनिकेट कैसे करोगे तुम मुझसे? तो दोस्तों, एक होता है कंटिन्यू करना ऐसे कोई काम को, और एक होता है कोई काम उस समय करना कि 6:30 बजे तक पापा घर आ जाते हैं। तो कैसे बोलोगे? माई पापा कम्स होम बाय 6:30। क्या वो 5 बजे घर आ रहे होते हैं, 4 बजे घर आ रहे होते हैं? बिल्कुल नहीं, वो 6:30 बजे तक घर आ जाते हैं। मतलब ज्यादा से ज्यादा, ये वाला बोलने का मतलब था। ओके, जब आप कहते हो मैं 11 बजे तक सो जाती हूँ, तो ज्यादा से ज्यादा आपका ये कहने का मतलब है, राइट? तो आप कहोगे आई गो टू स्लीप बाय 11 o'clock। ओके एवरीबॉडी, दैट्स अ टोटली डिफरेंट सिचुएशन। और हाँ, डू नॉट लर्न द ट्रांसलेशन, अंडरस्टैंड द सिचुएशन। कैसे दोनों सिचुएशंस अलग हैं। इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड एंड अप्रिशिएट द डिफरेंस इन द सिचुएशन, you will not be confused at all. Fine. So shall we do some more practice maybe? Now I'm unmuting you. I'm unmuting you, okay? Just a second. Yeah, you guys can unmute yourselves and talk to me. I'm giving you sentences, okay? आपको बोलना है कि यार हम नहीं आ सकते पार्टी में यार, 7 बजे तक तो हम पढ़ाई करते रहते हैं क्लास में, 6 बजे तुम पार्टी रखे हो, नहीं आ सकते। ठीक है, नहीं आ सकते हम पार्टी में, 7 बजे तक तो मेरा क्लास चलता है, हम पढ़ते रहते हैं 7 बजे तक। अंटिल या बाय, कौन सा वर्ड यूज करोगे?
Until.
वेरी गुड, राइट। 7 बजे तक तो पढ़ते रहते, नहीं आ सकते पार्टी में। आई स्टडी अंटिल 7
o'clock।
So I'm not able.
I study until.
I could not.
I have another question for you. Anish, I will take your question. I will take your question. Okay, Anish, just one question from my side and
अगर
then.
अगर बीच में रोक सकते हैं 5-10 मिनट के लिए, फिर लगातार हो जाएंगे तो फिर
वो सब कोई मायने नहीं रखता, वो सब कोई मायने नहीं रखता, वो सब लैंग्वेज में इश्यू नहीं बनते, ठीक है ना। ये कैसे ये बात एक्सप्रेस कर रहे हैं, बाकी वो सब चीजें एक्सप्लेन करी जा सकती है। शबनम, योर माइक इज वेरी नॉइजी शबनम, योर माइक इज वेरी नॉइजी शबनम, ओह माय गुडनेस, थैंक यू वेरी मच। ओके, such a relief. Okay, everybody, I have another question for you. हम 7 बजे तक उठ जाते हैं। Now, wait. Just tell me, आप until यूज करोगे या by यूज करोगे?
Until.
Until.
7 बजे से पहले सोए हुए रहते हैं।
Bye.
अच्छा ठीक है, चलो डिपेंड करता है। मैं कहता हूँ दोनों यूज कर सकते हो। देखो बताते हैं कैसे। आप until बोल सकते हो, उसके साथ वर्ब कौन सा बोलोगे, sleep या get up?
Sleep.
और
I
by
sleep.
बोलोगे तो वर्ब कौन सा यूज करोगे?
Get up.
जरा रिपीट करना। I sleep until 7.
Sleep until 7.
I
Sleep until 7.
मतलब क्या हुआ?
We wake up by 7.
Okay, I wake up by 7, है ना? I get up by 7.
By 7.
Wake up और get up में क्या फर्क है दोस्तों? Small difference. Wake up
Yes,
is coming out of sleep, मतलब जाग जाना, and get up means उठ जाना. Okay,
उठ
so to
जाना.
leave bed is get up. Okay, and wake up is opening your eyes. Now you know what is happening around. Okay, wake up. I hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
If somebody is sleeping in the classroom, what will you say to them? Get up or wake up?
Wake up.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Yeah, you'll say, wake up. The teacher is here. Come on, wake up. The teacher is coming. Wake up, right? Okay. I hope you understand. Wake up and get up, the difference. Oh, by or until समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Now I want you guys to give me example of Babar Ali sentence. क्या था? Babar Ali studies until 4. Repeat.
4.
Babar
Babar Ali studies until 4.
Exactly. Babar Ali studies until 4.
4.
Okay. And then he travels back to his village. He travels back to his village. I want you guys to understand the word TO2 here. He travels back to his village. Everybody,
Yes.
this is the village. This is the village. This is the village. And this is to his village. Okay? Please understand. This is the village. And this is to the village. This is from the village. Okay, everyone?
Yes.
This is the village.
Yes, sir.
And this is to the village. And this is
from the village.
From the village.
this
From
is
the
the village. This is the village. Okay. Now this is
To
From
the
the
village.
village.
and
To
this
the
is
village.
From the village.
From the village.
okay. At 4 o'clock, he travels back.
To the village.
To the
Okay.
village.
अपने गांव को
Okay,
वापस
everybody?
आता है.
At 4 o'clock, when he stops studying, he travels back.
To
To
the
his
village.
village.
To the village.
To the village.
वो अपने
Okay,
गांव
he
को
travels
वापस
back to
आता
his
है.
village. He travels back to his village. हिंदी सबको समझ में आ जाएगी. हिंदी आपकी मदर टंग है, कोई परेशानी नहीं हिंदी. Okay, everybody, you want to
Yes.
understand
Yes.
English. आपको इंग्लिश समझना है, हिंदी में कोई परेशानी नहीं किसी को. So try and understand English, okay? He travels back to his village. And at 5 o'clock, he begins the classes. He begins the class. He teaches English, Bengali, history, and maths until 8.
8.
देखा फिर से देखा. He teaches until
8.
Stop.
continuity, right? At 8 o'clock, he stops.
Yes.
Okay. He says, I love teaching. I'm never tired. What is the verb in this sentence? I love teaching.
Love.
love,
Love
ये
is the
मुझे
verb.
पढ़ाने से बहुत प्यार है।
Yes. Now, what is the verb in
Teach.
I am never tired?
Teaching.
मैं थकता नहीं हूँ।
Tired.
What is the verb? What is the verb? What is the verb?
The verb.
Be verb.
Be verb, be verb,
Well done. Well done. Be verb is your verb. Okay. I am never tired. Okay. I love teaching. I'm never tired. Some children love playing cricket. They are never tired. What does it mean? They are always ready to play.
cricket.
Right. They are never tired.
They
Okay.
are never tired.
Okay. Some people love dancing. They're never tired.
Yes, sir.
And do you have another sentence, guys? He says, I love teaching. I'm never tired. अच्छा, tired के part of a speech बता सकते हो? What is the part of a speech of tired?
Second and third.
Beta, what is the part of a speech? Noun, verb, adjective.
adjective, sir.
Adverb.
Adjective, sir.
Adjective.
Sorry, sir.
Adjective, I think.
Adjective है ना?
Adjective.
It is an adjective, okay? It is an adjective, okay?
Adjective.
Okay, sir.
I am never tired.
Love thinking.
I am never tired. I'm never angry. I'm never angry. Sorry.
Angry is
never
also
angry.
adjective.
Right? Sir is never happy, यार. किसने observe किया? क्या कहा?
Sir is never happy.
Sir is never happy.
Sir is never happy with me. Sir is never happy with me. तो क्या कह रहा वो?
सर कभी खुश
सर
नहीं
मेरे से
सर मुझसे कभी खुश नहीं रहते।
Exactly.
कभी खुश नहीं।
Sir, your voice is very low, sir.
Come again, beta.
Your voice is very low.
Okay. I'll fix it. Don't worry. Again, मेरे husband हमसे कभी खुश ही नहीं रहते हैं. English.
My husband is
My
never
husband
happy.
is never happy for me. With me.
With
My
me,
dad.
yeah.
Zeba is still single, but she was the first to say this very quickly. My husband is never happy with me.
My dad never happy.
Okay. All right. All right. I'm never tired. Just listen to this one. I'm never hungry in the morning. I'm never hungry in the morning.
Yes, sir.
Say it in Hindi.
सुबह में हमको भूख नहीं
सुबह मुझे
लगता।
भूख नहीं लगता।
बहुत बढ़िया. Very well done. Very good job. Say it in English again.
I never
hungry in the morning.
I'm never hungry in the morning. Okay.
I'm never angry in the morning.
हम अपने स्टूडेंट पे से कभी गुस्सा नहीं होते.
I'm never angry to my
I'm
student.
never angry.
You never angry on your student.
अपूर्वा उलट पलट कर गई, तुरंत उलट पलट कर गई, सब कुछ भूल गई जो पढ़ी थी वो. फिर से ट्राई करो अपूर्वा. Come on.
Angry with your student.
ठीक है.
I'm
That's
never
okay.
angry to my
Be
students.
angry with your student.
Okay, I want Apurva, please. Yes, Apurva, beta.
You never angry with your student.
अपूर्वा, पता है तुम्हारी गलती क्या है? मैंने हमेशा कहा है सब लोगों को, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड क्या है? वर्ब. और वो वर्ब पे ध्यान नहीं दे के बाकी सब चीज पे ध्यान दे रही है. देखो क्या बोलना चाहिए था अपूर्वा? सिर्फ अपूर्वा बोलेंगी, कोई नहीं बोलेगा, वही बोलेंगी, वही करेक्ट करेंगे अपने आप को.
You never angry with your student.
What is the verb in the sentence?
Sorry, sir.
You are.
You are.
नहीं बोलना था. अपूर्वा खुद करेक्ट करती है अपने आप को, वो समझ जाती कि वो क्या
You are
गलती कर रही हैं.
your student.
अच्छा, कल संयोगिता मैम ने यही गलती करी थी ना? संयोगिता मैम, रिमेम्बर यू मेड द सेम
Yes,
मिस्टेक
sir.
यस्टरडे। हाँ, देखिए आप सब, मुझे पता है आपकी गलतियां कहाँ होने वाली हैं, इसलिए मैं करवाता हूँ आपसे ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस, बिकॉज मुझे पता है आप सोचते कैसे हो। यू गाइस डोंट वैल्यू द वर्ब। पता है आपको सिर्फ फीलिंग्स लेना है। एंग्री बोल दिया ना, यू बोल दिया ना, नेवर बोल दिया, फीलिंग आ गई।
एक यहाँ पर
करेक्शन,
आपने कोई वर्ब नहीं लगाया सर। माई हस्बैंड नेवर हैप्पी विथ मी।
माई
तो यहाँ
हस्बैंड
पे
इज,
माई हस्बैंड इज नेवर हैप्पी विथ मी एंड आई
होना ही
नेवर
होना है।
हंग्री इन द मॉर्निंग।
आई
आई
एम,
एम होगा तो आई
hungry.
एम।
I am never hungry in the morning.
आई एम नेवर
राइट
हंग्री।
राइट।
तो तब होगा यू आर नेवर हैंग्री इन द यू आर नेवर
You
I'm
are
never
never
tired in the morning.
hungry.
यू आर
यस,
नेवर यू आर
देखो
नेवर
ये सेंटेंस के ग्रामर कितना आसान है, राइट गाइस? आप लोग आई एम हैप्पी जैसे सेंटेंस में गलती नहीं कर सकते, लेकिन जैसे नेवर वर्ड आता है ना, आपका वो स्ट्रक्चर पूरा कंफ्यूज्ड दिमाग हो जाता है सिर्फ नेवर आने से।
Lots of the time, sir, when I forgot use a verb before never.
यू नो व्हाई? अगर आप नेवर हटा दो तो आप कभी गलत नहीं बोलोगे। आप बोलोगे यू एंग्री, आप बोलोगे यू आर एंग्री, राइट?
यू आर
You are
एंग्री।
angry, sir.
लेकिन सिर्फ नेवर आने से आपका वो आर गायब हो जाता है। कैसे?
I don't know, sir, what happened.
आई नो, मैं बताता हूँ। क्योंकि आप लोगों ने नेवर को हमेशा यूज किया है बाकी वर्ब्स के साथ। जैसे आप बोलते हो आई नेवर कुक, आई नेवर गो, आई नेवर ईट, आई नेवर शाउट, तो आपने कह दिया आई नेवर हैप्पी।
यस
आप शाउट और हैप्पी के पार्ट ऑफ स्पीच को अप्रिशिएट नहीं करते कि शाउट इज अ वर्ब। आई नेवर ईट, ईट इज अ वर्ब, हैप्पी इज नॉट अ वर्ब। तो आई नेवर ईट, आई नेवर हैप्पी, प्रॉब्लम, बिग प्रॉब्लम। कुछ लोगों को लगेगा आई नेवर ईट, आई नेवर हैप्पी एक ही तो है। बिल्कुल नहीं। आई नेवर ईट, ईट इज अ वर्ब,
यस
बट आई नेवर हैप्पी, हैप्पी इज नॉट अ वर्ब।
इट इज एडजेक्टिव।
Adjective.
तो क्या बोलना चाहिए? आई एम नेवर हैप्पी,
I am never happy.
I'm never happy with my improvement, I'm never happy with my growth, I always want more. Right?
यस
Yes, sir. I am
Okay.
never happy with my improvement. I want more.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Okay. I love teaching. I'm never tired. आप लोग जब ये सेंटेंस पढ़े थे तो आपको लगा था आपसे गलतियां होंगी इस सेंटेंस को समझने और बोलने में? नहीं ना? इसी को अप्रिशिएट कराना आपको धीरे धीरे कि क्या गलतियां हो सकती हैं आपसे। Okay. Can we continue now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Babar's ambitions. Ambition means what you want to achieve. That's your ambition.
Achieve Lakshya.
Okay. In Hindi, ambition is translated as
Lakshya.
Lakshya.
Laksh. Yes, right. Okay. Babar's ambitions. Okay, some people have big ambitions and some people have small ambitions. You guys have big ambitions or small ambitions?
Big ambitions, sir.
Big, sir, big.
Big sir, big. लेकिन अच्छे तुम बोलते I have very big ambition तो ज्यादा अच्छा होता अनीश। I have very big
Sir.
ambitions.
I have very big ambition.
Okay. Anybody has a small ambition here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
We have one lady, but she's not present. Nausheen. She doesn't have big ambitions. No,
Why so?
Nausheen doesn't have big ambitions, but she is capable, okay? But she doesn't have big ambitions.
Okay.
Uzma, do you have big ambitions, Uzma? Do you have big ambitions, Uzma?
No, sir.
No. Let me tell you something. Some girls don't have big ambitions because their parents, their family, never encouraged them to have a big ambition. They never said, hey, you are going to be a doctor, study hard, otherwise I will throw you out of the house. They never said this, you know? So the girls became, oh, it's okay. I am just studying. I have to get married. I have to become a mother. That's all. They don't have big ambitions in life because
So
nobody
for our
motivated them.
ambition, everyone has to like convince their parents. I think so.
Beta, again, I will say this. If you do not have any motivation from your parents, okay,
Hmm.
then it's very difficult to have ambitions. Very difficult. When I was a young boy, I didn't have big ambitions either. I didn't have big ambitions. I'll tell you something about myself, how silly I was. When I was young, maybe I was 20 years old, 21 years old, and I had a special friend, okay? And I said to her, hey, if I earn only 3,000 rupees a month, will you be happy with me? Can you imagine that? I was 20, 21, 24, 23 years old, and I said to her, if I earn only 3,000 rupees a month, will you be happy with me? And that silly girl said yes. So I was very stupid. I had no ambitions in my life. Okay, when I was young, I had no ambitions at all. And I feel very bad about it. Why I didn't have ambitions in my life.
Sir,
But
in my
somehow,
family also, like in my family, they're thinking they don't allow girls to go outside and walk. But I
oh,
think I changed their opinion.
very good, Shweta. Did a good job. I'm proud of you. Well done.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, in some families, parents and especially male members, they think women should not go out to work. Okay. But
Yes, sir.
then you have to challenge them. You have to show them that you
Yes.
are capable of earning big amounts of money. You know what happens, people? Yeah, what happens? If a girl brings only 10,000 rupees a month, okay, then she doesn't get the respect. But if she brings 60,000 rupees a month, 70,000 rupees a month, then everybody listens to her because
Yes,
it's
Yes,
a
sir.
sir.
huge amount of
Yes,
money.
sir. Yes, sir.
So you have to develop your personality so that you can earn 50,000, 60,000, 70,000 rupees a month. If you can't change your parents thinking with 10,000 rupees a month, you can't. They will say, रहने दो, मत नहीं चाहिए तुम्हारा 10,000, घर पे बैठो. That's what they will say. Okay. But if you earn 50, 60,000, then they will support you. अब आप कैसे कमाओगे 50, 60,000? By studying hard. बहुत मेहनत करके पढ़ाई करो. And in all government jobs, women have reservation. Okay. In Bihar, when they're hiring teachers, I think they're hiring 50% women teachers.
Yes, sir.
Imagine. अगर नौशीन ने बीएड कर रखा होता और वो जितनी समझदार महिला है, if she had studied for 6 months, okay, अब भी उसको 50-60 हजार रुपए की जॉब मिली होती. ठीक है? I'm telling you. She's a really clever woman. That's a serious amount of money, okay? So ambitions are important. Babar's ambitions. Now the school has 650 students. Now the school has 650 students. Okay, now imagine Babar started teaching alone and now the school has 650 students. That's a lot of students, guys. 650, big number.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. If you're not speaking, just put yourself on mute when you're not speaking. Okay. Yeah. Now the school has 650 students and 10 teachers. Babar wants to study at university. He wants to study at university, but he doesn't want to stop teaching. He doesn't want to stop teaching. Iqbal, unmute. Thank you. He doesn't want to stop teaching. वो he wants to study at university. अच्छा ये बताओ वो but क्यों लगा है दोनों sentence के बीच में? Why is there a but? Babar wants to study at university, but he doesn't want to stop teaching. But क्यों लगा है बेटा? Why is there but?
वो
Because
पढ़ना चाहता है लेकिन वो अपना पढ़ाने का जो है वो भी नहीं छोड़ना चाहता है,
तो
लेकिन
बट
वो
क्यों लगा है?
sir,
लेकिन
both are connected.
तो
both
सेंटेंस
sentences are true. Both sentences are true.
Both sentences are interconnected.
दो सेंटेंस को एक बार में बोलने के लिए सर।
बट क्यों लगाया? ऑल एंड लगा देते, बिकॉज लगा देते, बट क्यों लगाया ये बताओ?
क्योंकि सर अगर बोलेंगे कि हम पढ़ना भी चाहते हैं और लेकिन पढ़ाना छोड़ना भी नहीं चाहते।
क्यों छोड़ने की बात हो रही है?
सर बिकॉज
You want to university.
अगर स्टडीज करना है यूनिवर्सिटी में तो उसे
You
एक
want
जगह
to study in university,
ज्यादा दूर
and
जाना
he do
होता
not want to stop her teaching, stop his
ओके
teaching.
बेटा, all of you are correct. आप सब सही हो, okay? Babar wants to study at university, but he
Yes.
doesn't want to stop teaching. But
Yes.
is used because if he wants to study at university, he has to leave the village,
Oh,
right?
yes.
He wants to study at university. If he studies at university, university is not in his village. His village doesn't have a school. Forget about
Yes.
university. So
Yes,
he
sir.
has to go to another city, right, to study at
Yes.
university. If he goes to another city, how will he teach?
Yes.
That's the confusion. That's the dilemma. That's the confusion. He wants to study at university, but he doesn't want to stop teaching. जैसे मैं एग्जांपल देता हूं okay. I want to be with my girlfriend, but I don't want to divorce my wife.
आज पीटेगी आपको.
I want to be with my girlfriend, but I don't want to divorce my wife. Do you see the problem here? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Very
But-
serious problem, sir.
Very serious problem. Very serious problem. तो इसका solution एक ही है. Keep both the chapters separate.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Well, I'm sorry, guys. I'm not saying that these things are good and I'm doing it. It's just a fun example ताकि आप बट को एहसास कर लो और कोई मकसद नहीं. Okay?
Yes,
Don't
sir.
take me very seriously, people. Don't take me
Yes,
very
sir,
seriously,
yes.
please.
We do not
he-
take, sir.
काम से फुर्सत नहीं है, आप क्या करोगे, right? You have a child, you have a wife, you have responsibilities. You know, these things are for those people who are very happy in life, you know, who have no problems in their life. जिनको problem खरीदना है वो ये सब करे ना, right?
सही
If
बात.
you already have a lot of problems, you don't want to have more, you see? So Babar wants to study at university, but he doesn't want to stop teaching. He says, I always want to teach poor children. I always want to teach poor children. And here is your new exercise.
Which one?
Okay, अभी पहले look back at exercise 1. Were your answers correct? चलिए देखते हैं. So what was your answer, guys? Babar gets up at 5 a.m. and that is right, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Babar doesn't get up at 8,
Sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, beta, बोलिए.
Can I leave the class? Because I
Yes,
have
yes,
to-
Anish, no problems. Go. Babar
sir.
gets up at 5. He doesn't get up at 8, right, people?
Yes, sir.
Number
Sir.
2, what was your guess? And what is true?
He
He helps his mother in the
In the
house.
house.
He helps his mother in the house. He doesn't.
Oh.
He doesn't help
Helps his mother
at
in
work.
the house.
father
At work.
at work.
Right? Yeah, he doesn't help his father at work. Number 3.
He goes to school by
He goes
bus.
to school by bus.
Yeah, that was our guess, right? He doesn't go to school by car.
By
By
car.
car.
By car.
Our guess was right. Our guess was
Yes.
right. Number 4.
He
He
studies
studies
hard
hard
until 4
until 4
p.m.
p.m.
He studies
does-
hard until
does-
4 p.m. Not
He
until 1
doesn't.
p.m. Right? No, no,
Yes,
not until
sir.
1 p.m.
He-
Not until 1 p.m. Until 4 p.m. Okay?
Not until 4.
He
हर
doesn't
सेंटेंस
study
में वो
hard
फॉर्मूला नहीं
until
चला
1
सकते
p.m.
दोस्तों. रिमेंबर,
अच्छा.
अगर आप यहाँ बोलना चाहते हो कि वो 1 बजे तक नहीं पढ़ता तो आपको बोलना पड़ेगा he studies until 4 p.m. not until 1 p.m. Okay, like this. Let's continue. Number 5.
He
begins his
homework.
homework
He begins
at 5 p.m.
the classes
He
at 5
begins the
p.m.
classes at 5 p.m.
Oh,
He
sorry.
doesn't begin his homework. He doesn't begin
Yes,
his
sir.
homework. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Number 6.
Begins the classes at 5
He
p.m.
likes his
Exactly.
work.
He likes his work.
He likes his work.
He
Doesn't
likes
like
his
his
work. He
Doesn't
always
like.
wants to teach poor children, right? He wants
Yes.
to remain a teacher all his life. He wants to be a teacher all his life. And number 7.
He speaks English.
Well, we still don't know. We still don't know. We still don't know.
He doesn't speak English.
We still don't know. We don't know. We don't know. He teaches English. He teaches English.
He
But
doesn't
all the
speak English.
He doesn't
no,
speak.
we don't
doesn't
know.
speak
Zeba,
English.
Zeba. No, we don't know. We don't know. Why are you saying this? We don't know. There is nothing mentioned about it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
We don't know. The text doesn't say anything about it. The text doesn't say anything about it. The text says, okay, again, Shabnam, please mute because your mic is noisy, Shabnam.
Okay, so
Yeah,
he teaches
thank-
only English.
Teach,
No, no,
teaches. Zeba, teaches.
He teaches for
He teaches
subject.
English.
But he speaks English or he doesn't speak English, we don't know.
We don't know, yes, sir.
Yes,
Acha.
sir.
Okay, let me explain. Let me explain one more thing. Okay, but first of all, I have to, Uzma, your mic is now noisy somehow. Thank you, thank you. All right. ये कभी कभी ना टेक्निकल इश्यूज हैं. आपके माइक का जैक जो है ना वो लूज हो जाता है, तो देयर इज अ स्ट्रेंज काइंड ऑफ नॉइज, you know, and that's very irritating, very irritating. Okay, I want to tell you something. See, if you talk about big cities, okay, big good schools, if somebody teaches English, it means that person speaks English, certainly.
Yes.
You cannot teach English if you don't speak English. But in India, there are lots of teachers who teach English but don't
Speak English.
Speak English.
speak English. That's why I'm saying that we are not sure whether he speaks English or not. Somebody will say, sir, he teaches English. How can he not speak English, sir? He teaches English. He has to speak English. तो मैं कहूँगा, there are lots of people in my hometown. They are teachers of English, but they don't
But
speak
they
English.
don't speak English.
Happens.
I wanted to share with you an experience yesterday I had. I was shopping with my wife in Smart Bazaar here, and there was this guy. He was talking about his experience at an interview, okay? He was talking to his friends in the Smart Bazaar, and he was speaking very loudly with his friends. I was standing nearby. मैं वहीं पास में खड़ा था, and I could hear him. So what was he saying? क्या कह रहा था वो? यार पता है वो मेरे से इंग्लिश में सवाल पूछा, तो हम बोले सर आप हिंदी में सवाल पूछिए ना. तो बोलता है क्या कि इंग्लिश में ग्रेजुएशन किए हो, इंग्लिश लिटरेचर में ग्रेजुएशन किए और बोलते हो हिंदी में सवाल पूछे. तो हम बोले कि सर इंग्लिश में ग्रेजुएशन किए हैं, स्पोकन इंग्लिश थोड़ी ना किए हैं. मुझे जो हंसी आई, यू नो, एक बिहारी बोल सकता है ये बात कि मैंने इंग्लिश में ग्रेजुएशन किया, स्पोकन नहीं किया. भाई ये स्पोकन कोई अलग चिड़िया नहीं है भाई. Children who are in class 6, 7, they speak English if they study English properly, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
तो ये कहना कि मैंने इंग्लिश में ग्रेजुएशन किया है, मास्टर्स किया है, स्पोकन नहीं किया, इसलिए बोल नहीं सकता. तुमने कैसे किया इंग्लिश में मास्टर्स, इंग्लिश में ग्रेजुएशन, if you can't speak English? It's a real story. And I want to tell you, some days ago, there was a boy in my class, not a boy, a man. He had done his master's in English. He was doing his PhD and he could not understand any English at all. He was worse than Deepika and some of you guys. All right. So it happens only in Bihar that you can have a bachelor's degree in English, you can have a master's degree in English, and yet you don't speak any English. It only happens in places like Bihar. In every other city, if you are a graduate in English, you will definitely be able to talk in English. If you are a master's in English, you will definitely be able to talk in English. But in Bihar, you know, our education system is so bad. Nobody speaks English, even if they have master's degree in English, you know, that's really, really bad. So
Sir,
anyway,
excuse me, sir.
Yes.
4 number, please repeat करिए इसको. He studies hard until 1 p.m. or 4 p.m. इसको आपने
मैं
क्या
इसको
थोड़ा
ऐसे
सा
बोलना मैं इसको ऐसे
थोड़ा
बोलना
सा
चाहूंगा. आप लोग गौर से सुनना सब लोग, okay?
हाँ.
He studies hard until 4 p.m., not until 1 p.m. वो 4 बजे तक मैं पढ़ता है, 1 बजे तक नहीं, है ना? He studies hard until 4 p.m., not until 1
नेगेटिव
p.m.
में कैसे करेंगे? नेगेटिव में
नहीं करना है संयोगिता मैम, इसलिए मैं इसको स्किप कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा.
क्योंकि हम यूनिट 3 में जैसे पहुंचेंगे तो आई एम गोइंग टू टीच यू अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग सेंटेंस. ठीक है,
ओके.
थोड़ा इसको टिक, इसको आप ये कर लो, आप कहीं लिख लो संयोगिता मैम, यूनिट 3 पे इसको लिख लो. ठीक है, यूनिट 3 का फर्स्ट पेज पे ये सेंटेंस ले जाके लिख दो. आप राइट डाउन करो इस सेंटेंस को यूनिट 3 के फर्स्ट पेज पे. हेलो, हाँ, ओके 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 ओके. दोस्तों मैं आप सबको एक सजेशन देता हूँ.
Sir,
यस काशिफ.
I send you 2 sentences. Can you explain me which?
Sure. Just a second. Where are they? I will do it once I'm free. I'll do it after I'm free. Okay. Both the sentences are very similar, but once I'm free shows कि जैसे ही हम free होंगे तुरंत कर देंगे. Okay? I'll do it once I'm free. Okay? Once is used to suggest कि जैसे ही हम free होंगे कर देंगे. Okay? इसमें अर्जेंसी होती है. ठीक है? हिंदी में भी तो तुम बोलते हो ना, एक बार जो पैसा ले लेते हो ना तोरा से, फिर शक्ल नहीं दिखाई तो तोरा. सॉरी, आई एम स्पीकिंग Maghi guys, okay? But that's how we talk in Hindi as well. Great similarity between Hindi and English here. एक बार जो तुमसे पैसा ले लेगा ना वो, फिर वो तुमको मिलेगा दोबारा. आप समझ रहे हो? अब इसी बात को ऐसे बोलो, वो तुमसे पैसा लेने के बाद तुमसे मिलेगा नहीं दोबारा. I hope you understand. Both the
Yes.
sentences are very similar message. तो जब आप एक बार बोलते हो ना, वहां बोलते हो once. Once he takes money from you, he will never see you again. You will never see his face again. Once he takes money from you, you will never get to see his face again. And you will never get to see his face after he takes money from you. Iqbal, I hope you understood.
Once he takes money from you, he will not
Show his face. He will never meet you again. Right? और सुनो, बहुत सारी सेंटेंस आ रहे हैं, उठपटांग दिमाग में सेंटेंस आ रहे हैं, आप लोग भी आते होंगे. एक बार जो हो गया ना, एक बार उसने, अगर एक बार तुमने उससे सॉरी बोल दिया ना, अब वो तुमको बार बार रिमाइंड करेगा. तो वो एक बार जो बोलते हैं ना, वैसे इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं once you do it, okay? तो I'll do it once I'm free. I'll do it once I'm free. मतलब कर देंगे जब हम फ्री होंगे. यहाँ पर once का मकसद है बताने का कि जैसे हम फ्री होंगे हम कर देंगे. Okay? I'll do it once I'm free. Okay? जब हम फ्री होंगे हम कर देंगे. ये बोलचाल का तरीका है. Okay? और इसी को हम बोल सकते हैं I'll do it when I'm free. I'll do it after I'm free. सब सही है. Okay, काशिफ?
Okay, sir.
Do you have any more questions, Kashif?
No, sir.
I can't hear you. Wait for a second. Let me fix my... Oh, everything seems fine from my side. Hey guys, say hello to me.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello,
You're
sir.
saying hello, but I can't hear you. Okay, let me use my headphones then. Okay, hello. Okay, hello. Yeah.
Hello,
Hello,
sir.
sir.
Hello, sir.
All right. Okay. Because we are running out of time, it's 7 o'clock now. We cannot continue, but I want you to do something at home. This. Take a look here. Exercise 5. Work with partner. Complete the questions. Guys, think that you meet one of Babar's students. Imagine this situation. You meet one of Babar's students. Babar has a lot of students, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Imagine you meet one of his students. What will you ask? आप क्या पूछोगे? Take a look at these questions. Can you complete these questions?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That will be your exercise for home.
Sir,
Okay?
please share that page
Okay,
in the
sir.
group as well as
I'm gonna send it in the group.
previous homework, sir. That
Sure, sure. I think it's already in the group, no? Yes,
Okay,
it
sir.
is. It is. Okay, everybody. So the homework is you have to imagine that you get to meet one of Babar's students and you talk to him, okay, about Babar. So ask all those questions, complete those questions. I will see you tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Bye-bye, everyone. Good night.
Bye-bye,
See ya.
sir. Good night.
Bye-bye. Good night, everyone. Good night.